very unfamiliar to them. So, parang, pag ina-explain mo, ganito ganyan eksena, tapos parang titignan ka nila ng, saka ako sasabihin sa kanila, hindi niya naiintindihan. Okay, ganito yan. So, I explain mo sa kanila. And then, may intindihan na nila. You know? That's my role as the director. I need to guide my actors kung saan papunta yung pelikula. Kung saan papunta ang kwento. So, there.
How about you guys? When you first read about your own characters, did you feel that you kind of, I think I lacked the experience to actually do this role because either you haven't really gone through the characters, you know, of course the experiences that they probably had. Do you feel that you should have gotten other actors other than me because you know it could be that way. I mean, malinaw ba yung question ko? Medyo magulo. Oo nga eh. No, I think siguro yung sa experience-wise, you know, do you think did you feel that you could have done this role a little better if you experienced it?
I mean, the characters are young to begin with, and for me, it was much more realistic. For example, in Talkback, there's some things I had to do there that I've never experienced in my life before. So here, mas relatable yung kwento, and mas relatable yung character. So I feel like, for me, I fit the part, and I've experienced emotionally what the characters been through.
Ako lang po with me, I'll admit na nahirapan po ako, but then it was a good thing that si Direk nandun. He was there to guide me the whole time. Kasi, at yung role ko po talaga kasi talagang negative siya the whole time. Parang, lahat ng sasabihin mo, parang ayaw niya. Hindi niya natanggap. Nega. As in, nega talaga. Bitter siya. And I have, had quite a lot na kailangan maiyak, ganyan. Yes, I've been in that situation. Kaya lang kasi, I'm the type of person na ayaw kong hukayin. Parang gano'n. Natatakot ako mismo, natatakot akong pumunta doon. Nag-gets okay naman po ba? Ayun po. Parang, it's lang, ayoko lang siyang ilabas masyado. Kasi baka maging, hindi ko makontrol. Pero yun nga po, like what I said, si Direk Anday nandiyan naman to guide me. Thank you.
Ako, hindi naman sa, yung sana nagkaroon ng ibang actors na yung gumanap. Siyempre, binigay sa amin tong role na to. Kumbaga, papanindigan namin to, work namin to, kumbaga, gagawin namin yung best namin. Gagawin ko yung best ko para magampanan to. And kung may mga pagkukulang man ako, nandiyan nga si Direk, and siyempre, may time naman ako para ma-experience yan. Pero hindi ko sinasabing magpapaka-playboy ako. I mean, yung simpleng bagay lang kasi yung kumbaga yung parang nahirapan ako dito kasi hindi kasi ako basketball player or hindi ako sporty na tao. So, at di ako confident na tao to begin with. So, yun yung doon ako nag-work. Doon yung pinagtutuunan ko ng pansin na nakakatulong naman yung buong cast, yung staff dahil sobrang comfy magtrabaho sa paligid nila, sa yung atmosphere namin, sobrang okay. Kaya, open kami sa questions. Kumbaga, pag nagtanong ka, hindi ka deadmahin, makukuha mo yung hinahanap mong answer. So, malalagay ko siya sa character ko. Ayun, okay ba yung sinasabi? Then, okay.
Ako naman, wala akong masyadong experience sa ganyan eh. So, pinil ko na lang na kunyari, totoong nangyayari siya. So, kung paano yung magiging reaction ko if yun talaga yung nangyayari. Mas na-pressure ako sa comedy part. Kasi parang, syempre, ang hirap ng comedy pag hindi mo na-deliver na maayos, parang, baka sabihin, okay. Diba? So, doon ako mas na-pressure.
Hi, good after. Yes. Mag-ask kami ng questions from Twitter kasi I know you know that your fans are kind of very active. So first question from Twitter for James and Nanine. Less than 3 years lang yung Love Team and you already have 2 successful movies. This one being the 3rd. Gano bang pressure to make this one another blockbuster?
What? We're actually, really pressured. Kasi syempre, meron ng, may standard na kasi. So, parang what do you call this? Yung nakuha namin last time with DNP and Toktak, kailangan mahigitan namin. That's what the people are expecting. So, may pressure, but then, we're really confident kasi maganda talaga yung material. And syempre, with all the cast, maganda